In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clear and useful bug report in Jira. If you've ever received or submitted a bug ticket that only says something like the app crashed or this button is broken, then you already know how unhelpful that can be. Vague reports slow everyone down, create unnecessary back and forth, and make it harder for developers and testers to reproduce the problem quickly. The good news is that Jira makes bug tracking straightforward when you use the form properly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira cloud site. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click the blue Create button. This opens the issue creation window, which is where you'll enter all the details for the bug report. When the creation window appears, go to the issue type dropdown and select bug. This is important because it gives you the right structure for defect reporting instead of using a generic task or another issue format. Starting with the correct issue type helps your team filter, triage, and prioritize defects much more efficiently. Next, click into the summary field and enter a short, specific title for the problem. Keep it concise, but make sure it describes the issue clearly. Then, move down to the description field. Instead of writing one long paragraph, organize the information in a simple, readable format. Include the steps to reproduce the issue, the expected result, and the actual result. This makes it much easier for anyone reviewing the ticket to understand what happened and how to verify it. After that, scroll down and fill in the supporting fields. Set the priority based on how serious the issue is and how much it affects the product. In the environment field, add the details that matter for testing, such as the browser version, operating system, or the system you are testing in. If the bug is connected to another ticket, use linked issues to relate it to the relevant work item. You can also attach evidence in the attachment section. Drag and drop screenshots, text logs, JSON files, or screen recordings to give your team visual proof and technical context. This often saves time and reduces confusion. If you prefer a faster workflow, you can also use a browser capture extension that integrates with Jira. These tools can collect screenshots, logs, device information, and other useful details while you're testing, then package everything into a bug report automatically. Before you submit, take a moment to review the ticket. Make sure the project is correct, the attachment's uploaded properly, the priority matches the impact, and the environment details are complete. Once everything looks right, click Create to send the bug into the team's queue. That's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next